Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Render. Had to make a video. It's been very bullish again yesterday. Yesterday evening, it really popped off, or at the end of the afternoon. Depends on your time zone, of course. But we saw some very strong bullish momentum. Just in general, right now, the fundamentals for Render are absolutely amazing. Right? If you even with the market cap it's at right now, which is a market cap of about, let me quickly look that up, which is a market cap of about $2.15 billion. Render is the leading crypto when it comes to the deep-in narrative. All right, and right now with the AI narrative and just in general AI popping off again in the world, with some bonus points for that it's actually about rendering as well and videos, etc. That's just very bullish for Render, all right? Because with the computing power that's needed for AI, I do think the deep-in narrative is about to pop off. And I mean, if you want a lot of returns, I'm not sure if Render is the crypto to invest in, but Render still has a ton of potential here, all right? I mean, Render could still 10x easily from here. So definitely one you should watch. And at this moment, technically, look, fundamentally, we're very bullish, and that's the most important thing, I would say. But Render itself, I mean, here and there it does have a pullback. So I'm not telling you to just blindly buy it wherever, unless you buy it spot. I do think Render is a good spot buy, even though that's obviously not financial advice. But no, I do think at this moment everything is bullish about Render, all right. But I do think that there's some big whales in the price. You can see, for example, that since the 12th of February, we've gained a lot of bullish momentum. So that was with this spike. But what you can see is that most of that momentum is actually in these huge buy orders, where millions of dollars are being opened at one point of time. That happened 2 times now. And the open interest is still very high. So what that means is it's really two-sided. Let me quickly refresh my camera. It's really two-sided because that on the one hand means that we have momentum, and momentum bundled up with bullish fundamentals is just very bullish. But that also means that there are some very big players in Render, and that also Render is is getting a little bit over leveraged. All right, you can see that right here. If I type in Render and we have a look at the funding rates you have on Render right now, you can see they're increasing since the 12th of February as well. So the leverage is increasing. Long position holders are paying quite a lot of percentage per day to hold their positions open. So I do think that Render will stay bullish. And I told you this the last time as well. The next resistance level is between 6 and 6.5. I expect us to get up there. And like I said as well, I think we fundamentally can still get much higher. Like $7.5, $8 is the all-time high. I think we can easily get there in the longer term. But I do want to warn you that even though I think this is most likely, like for example, right now we have a lot of support around 5.25 and 5.4. I think it's most likely that price just drops down to that level, spikes down a bit, but that from that level we'll find enough support to actually rally up to 6 and that whole area between 6 and 6.5. I think that's most likely, but because Render is getting more and more over leveraged, that also means that at some point of time, those long position holders are paying too much on their positions and they have to close some. And they'll close some and you'll get some liquidation, so then you get a big spike down to, for example, 4.6 or 4.8. So be careful for that, all right? That's something that is going to happen at some point of time in the next 2 weeks or so. I'm still bullish on Render, but just if you want to buy it, either buy it with like futures with a short-term outlook, or just buy it spot. All right, that's what I would say. But those are my thoughts on Render for now. If you do have any questions, obviously let me know down in the comments. There you can also find more about my premium and signal group. Profitable, very valuable. Check it out if you want to. But for now, thank you for watching. Have a great Sunday and bye.